Oh, are you up from your nap? Your 5-hour long nap? Oh, Oh, baby. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stick around and maybe even watch a few more. And if you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you just a little bit extra. Today's video is very clearly some spoilers. I'm sorry, I'm late, I know. YouTube is not my full-time job, and sometimes videos like that I need to film like these that are time sensitive, if you will, I just don't have the time. So I've been working nonstop these past few days and I am cramming this in, which is why I look like this. We're gonna be talking about the spoilers for the Supreme box in this video. I just filmed the deluxe. I'll leave that linked, of course, if you guys are interested. So if you like these style videos from me, please make sure that you like and subscribe. I did order the Supreme box myself. It is on its way to me. It has shipped, and once it gets here, I will be doing an unboxing and a giveaway as well. So make sure that if you're interested in that you are subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you see when that video goes up and can enter the giveaway. My background's a bit messy, but if you saw my deluxe video, you know it's because I usually make the bed, but Miss Angel Muffin over here, Miss Angel is napping, and I just can't be bothered to make her move. I'm just not that kind of mom. Even though she literally puked on my bed this morning, but I missed a spot cleaning it. Moving on, let's get into the spoilers. Thank you to everyone who sends me pictures, comments, everything. I'm gonna scoot over here because I'm gonna try to put pictures up where I can. So this is what we know so far about the Supreme box. Starting off, we have the Orgy palette. Now, this is a duplicate. This was also in the variation that we have seen for the deluxe box. I'm only gonna spoil that in this video for the deluxe box. If you wanna see everything else, go watch that video. It's just easier anyway. But that means that if you ordered both of these boxes, you could have a duplicate palette, which always sucks. You know, it's not a guarantee. Not everyone who buys these boxes are buying both, and he can put whatever he wants in these boxes, okay? It really doesn't matter. But that is discouraging sometimes because I do know a lot of people buy multiple boxes. So that is kind of frustrating. But that's actually a great palette. I do love that palette. So I already have one, so that will probably be going in the giveaway if that's what I get. Obviously, this is just what we know so far. There could be total other variations. I know everyone was hoping for the Pink Religion palette in at least one of these boxes, and I agree. Just in general, that would have been a great palette to get. It's one of his newer releases that you may have missed out on for like recent, you know, launches of his. But it's also so Valentine's Day, so what the heck. Then we also have the Mini Nude Lips Vault, Volume 1. This is a great item. These are some of his lip vaults are like some of his top sellers. You're getting a bunch of different liquid lipstick shades for a discount, and I think that's great. That's also gonna go really well with the Orgy palette, so this is like a nudie's dream so far. Love that. I don't know if there's a variation in the lip vault yet. If you guys know, leave it in the comments down below. Then we also teased these, he teased these in his reveal video. I mentioned it when I first did my video talking about the exclusives that were going to be in these boxes. So in the Supreme box, everyone is getting a selfie light and a custom mirror. Or not a custom mirror, an exclusive mirror. But that's pretty cool. I actually really like the selfie light. Okay, so I actually left and came back, and this one woke up from her nap. So let's continue. Okay, so I think I left off talking about the selfie light and the mirror. There is definitely cat hair on my lip. Yeah, thank you. Thanks so much for that. I think the selfie light is a cool item to get. Demanding some attention here. I think the selfie light is definitely cool, and I love his mirrors, so I'm pretty excited for both of those items, to be honest. The mirror looks super cute. It's like a little sweetheart theme, which is what we kind of all thought, right? There's also an exclusive Heartbreaker T-Shirt. This is why I asked for your size if you ordered the Supreme box. There usually is a t-shirt or sweatshirt or some sort of clothing item in all of the Supreme boxes, so that's just something to note. That's pretty much been a running theme throughout all of the mystery boxes he's ever really done. So if that's not something that you're interested in and you don't want that to count as like one of the items, then maybe like that'll filter if you're gonna get a Supreme or not. The shirt looks cute. The shirt looks pretty cute. It's like the black and pink Heartbreaker themed. I think is cute. We'll see if it fits me because I totally forgot what size I got. And then this is pretty sick. This is like, I don't think he's ever done this before. So there was an exclusive liquid lipstick shade in the deluxe box, which you already know about. There's also another exclusive liquid lip shade in the Supreme box. It's similar to the one in the deluxe, but it is different. They're two different shades, so that's pretty cool. I know I mentioned when I was talking about these boxes in general, that'd be cool that if that liquid lip was in both boxes regardless, but to have two different colors I think is even better. And then, so you're getting two exclusive makeup items in the Supreme because we also got the Heartbreaker highlighter palette, which he teased that already in his video. So we knew that that was coming. The Heartbreaker highlighter palette, I'm really excited to see this in person. What's nice about this is there's a color pretty much for everyone, but you can also always use highlighters on your eyes. So to me, this is a very universal palette to put in here. I think that's really, really cool. I like that it's not super, super icy or super, super dark. It's, you know, something, it's a mix of everything, so every skin tone should be able to use at least one shade, and then the other ones that they can't use, they can use as eyeshadow. So I think that's pretty cool. I think he went about that the right way. He also put a concealer in here. Now, it's cool if anyone has been wanting to try his concealer formula, but unless it's a color correcting shade, it's not really worth it as an item, at least to me. I think it is a color correcting shade, but we're just gonna have to see as more variations come out too, if he does have the color correcting shade, if it's just the yellow shade that he put in every box. I don't like this as a Supreme item, to be honest, because the Supreme box is the box you're paying the most for. You should be able to get like the most out of it, essentially. And this, to me, isn't really a universal product because it's only gonna work with so many people. So many people are going to want to use a concealer because unless they can find a way to make it work in their routine, it's just not really worth it. So like I was saying about the highlighter palette, at least there should be a shade in there for pretty much everybody. A yellow concealer isn't going to work for necessarily everybody. So I hope it's yellow or like other color correcting shades. That would be better, but ultimately I would have rather him also put setting powder in this box, or just something else, another eyeshadow palette, anything really. I don't think that this is a good item for a Supreme box, a complexion item like this, because it's too personal to each person. We got a couple more items here, guys. We also have seen the Velvet Trap lipstick in Celebrity Skin. I really like his Velvet Trap formula. I've gotten a couple of Velvet Traps in mystery boxes before, but I haven't loved the shade, so I haven't kept them. But in terms of the formula, I think it's a pretty cool formula, so I think that's exciting. And Celebrity Skin is one of his top selling liquid lips. It's a nude, and then on top of it, we're also getting a clear gloss, which is also amazing. This is extremely universal so far, like between the Orgy palette, the Nude Vault, all these nude lips. I still wish that he put a second eyeshadow palette in here. Another gloss in the shade Peach Price Tag, which I'm pretty sure this one is clear with obviously like peach undertones and sparkles and stuff. So again, pretty universal. I really, really like that. I love his gloss formula. We're also getting a Supreme gloss in the shade Improper. I have not tried a Supreme gloss formulas. That is more, his glosses are normal glosses. The Supreme glosses are more of like those lip lacquer kind of feelings where they're extremely pigmented. So they're still a gloss, but they have the pigment of a lipstick as well. They don't have the staying power of a lipstick. It's like a hybrid. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that formula. We'll see if I get one in mine, but it's cool that I get to try that formula if it is in here, because that is one of his newer formulas. And then lastly, we have the Velour Liquid Lip Liner in Mannequin. Mannequin is another one of his top selling shades. This variation is extremely nude, which I personally like, but I actually feel like some people may be disappointed in this. Obviously, this is amazing. For like the average consumer, this is so good. Like you couldn't really ask for better shades in terms of them being universal and nudes and easy to use, but it would be nice to see at least a little color in there, at least for me personally. But if I had to choose between like a super nude box or a super colorful one, I would obviously want this because I could use way more products like this day to day. So I actually think that's really pretty cool. I still would have loved to see another eyeshadow palette or some sort of like pop of color in here, to be honest. That would have been pretty sweet. So that is it so far for spoilers for the Supreme box. I'm sure there's gonna be more variations. I actually just got sent another variation for the deluxe box, so hopefully we do see more in the Supreme. So I hope in more variations of the Supreme we see a little bit more color. What do you guys think? If you spent $180 on this box, would you be happy with what's inside. Mine has shipped, so hopefully it gets to me soon. I am all the way on the other side of the country, so we shall see. Like I've already mentioned, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit your notification bells if you want to see my unboxing and enter my giveaway when that goes live. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye guys!